Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 95 Monroe Street in the village of Honeoye Falls.
This is the most charming village home circa 1840 with acreage in a nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends to this historic home. With a charming dining room with a chair rail, pine floors, and an arch entryway. Open to a formal living room with a wood-burning fireplace with a gorgeous decorative mantel. And a spacious den with a window seat, built-ins, and wood floors.
This is a spacious white and bright country kitchen in immaculate condition, with wood floors, a dining area, and a gas stove. Open to the vaulted ceiling family room with those beautiful wood floors, all with an adjacent laundry room, deck access, and scenic backyard views. The first floor also features a cathedral ceiling owner's bedroom with skylights and wood floors, with an adjacent updated full bathroom. A separate bedroom wing with a second first floor bedroom and another updated full bathroom. Plus French doors to the most relaxing screened-in porch with a vaulted ceiling, perfect for enjoying the summer breeze.
The charm continues upstairs with 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom. There is an abundance of space. This beautiful Greek federal farmhouse has all the character and charm you love, with spectacular modern updates, plus a convenient 2-car detached garage with an additional loft storage, and a vintage shed.
Enjoy peace and quiet in this nature's paradise, with an expansive deck overlooking the acreage, complemented with exquisite landscaping and scenic woods. What a great place to relax.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Men Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 95 Monroe Street in the village of Honeoye Falls.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!